Hey, and welcome to Web3m podcast. I'm your host, Omer, the head of community of Web3m. And with me today it's Herzl, the co-founder and CMO of Web3m.
Hi everyone, hi Omer, glad to be here.
Hey, thanks for being with us. Today we're gonna cover the what is basically Web3m, the company itself, and what it comes to solve, and the mission behind it. And of course the marketing on the web, the opportunities and the obstacles that people facing, and we hear in our communities and from other brands, which is very exciting. So tell us a little bit about Web3m.
So let's begin with talking about the market and what we're facing right now. So we're currently in a bear market, as you may know, and in bear market a lot, I can say like 90% and up of the project has been vanished in the market because it's either they're not valid projects and try to kind of rug pull their audience, or they didn't have the resources to continue without the support of a bull market.
What do you mean by valid project?
So valid projects are basically projects that are building something real. Unfortunately, we experience a lot. I personally got into a lot of projects that turned out to be either a scam or just a project without anything behind it, like just promises and nothing solid to build, no real solution to a real problem. What we see in the last year and even like a year and a half is like kind of the market is liquidating all of the projects that are not strong enough or not holding on into something really solid. Now, Web is a company that is disrupting how advertising is being done and disrupting how data exchanging is being done. Today our main focus would be Web3 advertising in general. I would love to talk about some channels that exist, some challenges, how Web3m is fitting in for any CMO, founder, marketer in the space. Regarding Web3m, what we are is an advertising platform created for crypto projects. So for any type of company, solution, service provider, like anyone that build on the blockchain or use tokens, use NFTs, label themselves as crypto, Web3 or blockchain companies, we are here to help with advertising, to help with marketing. Now, what is the biggest problem that we face as crypto projects is the lack of ability to advertise on Web2 known channels like Facebook, like Google, like LinkedIn, like Twitter. Now, some of you guys in the audience has the chance and will be able to advertise, but most of the projects in the crypto are labeled under financial services, meaning they will be banned, or at least the campaign will not be approved by any ad network on Web2. So what we came up with in the last year and a half is a self-served platform that combine every channel that allows advertising for crypto projects. So PPC, like ad networks that support crypto, PR agencies that work for crypto companies, metaverse advertising, community management tools. The vision of our platform is to combine all of this together under one roof for marketers and founders to just come into Web3m, use the platform to set up the campaign, choose where they want to advertise, and launch the campaign, track the results, optimize, and really do anything under this one roof called Web.
So basically, if I have a Web3 brand and I come to Web3m platform, I get like various of opportunities to advertise.
Yes. So today we're in the MVP phase, meaning we are more focused on the PPC and advertising on ad networks type of advertising. In the near future, like really next week, we're going to be integrated with PR, so you can do both PPC and PR channels. And as the time goes by, really like in very fast sprints of weeks, we're going to add metaverse advertising, new agencies, new services that allows futuristic targeting, like Web3 targeting per se, like if you want to target specific users that hold, for example, DopeX token or any other token, you will be able to do so and really like launch a campaign and advertise directly to them. Today, this is something that doesn't exist yet, but very soon you will be able to do it through Wb3m, right? So as I told you, really like metaverse advertising, launching campaigns on Twitter from people from the inside of Twitter, meaning getting your NFT project blue marked and approved, and like you can think of in terms of paid marketing under one roof. So today you will be exposed to the highest converting PPC channels, PPC ad networks in the market through Wb3m. Next week is going to be PR is going to be launched, and from there on you will start to see a lot of new channels being integrated. Really every 2 to 3 weeks you will see a new update, and this is what we're working on, by the way, on Wb3m. We're really working to integrate the best channels with the most unique value to crypto marketers, to crypto projects.
So basically Wb3m created a platform to bring all the opportunities that Web3 brands can have on the market to one place, which is the Wb3m platform. And then once they get to the Wb3m platform, there are various of channels to advertise on, or marketing types that they can use to advertise the brand, all from one platform.
Exactly. When you think about it, it's quite a simple solution. So we look for good opportunities for you as a crypto company owner or crypto project founder, and like we integrate those valuable channels into Wb3m, so you don't have to do anything else other than type into Wb3m, enter your brand URL, set up the campaign, choose where you want to advertise, and of course first time users in the website obviously will be exposed to a new channel. So for discovery, for like really planning your marketing strategy, thinking where can I promote, let's see what's new in Wb3m. This is what we imagine for the future, like this is our vision for Wb3m, to be this place where people come to discover new stuff, to plan and execute their marketing strategy for Web3. And it's like, I like to describe it to people as maybe the Zapier for Web3 advertising. So you have a catalog of a few channels, a few niches of advertising, and you choose whatever suits you and really launch in a click of a button.
Wow, so like right before we finish our podcast, would you like sharing how to access, what's the price, and what the user experience through the platform?
So yeah, of course, first of all, like it's pretty easy to access the platform, as you just have to go to Wb3m.io and then you sign up. It's completely free. It's,
wow.
As I told you, it's a self-served platform, so you don't need anything. You don't need to do a meeting with us, requesting a demo. Really just go to the website, sign up, and you're in the app, okay? In terms of what you would imagine, I would love to share under the video description just a short video of onboarding, like a walkthrough to the platforms for people who want to see. But you just start with typing your website URL. First step is you will get a brand analysis, like a complete brand info section showing you what the system, what Wb3m could found about your brand on the internet. So any web mentions, any publications that you published, like all of your social medias, like all of the information, coming down to Twitter community sentiment, showing you the balance between positive feedback versus negative feedback from your own community, like really visualizing for you what the internet knows about you as a first step. And then you go through the campaign setup process, which is kind of similar like the experience we know today on Google or Facebook. So you set up the campaign by choosing the targeting features and choosing like the brand description that you add to the platform. And then you just go through adding the budget, thinking, splitting the campaign across the channels that you choose, and that's it. It's like really, if you hold on and edit stuff with all of the, let's say, setting up the campaign process, it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to edit stuff on your brand profile and launch a campaign across multiple channels through WebM. And of course, you then, after launching the campaign, you circle back into WebM dashboard to see all the results, all the analytics. Really cool, really easy to use, and like meaning to have everything you need under one roof for advertising.
Wow, sounds amazing. So yeah, it was a great meeting you today and get all the info. And as Herzl mentioned, guys, just go on Wb3m.io, sign up, and advertise your brand. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the brands or Web3 in general, jump on our community, Web3m, and ask us questions. We'll be there to answer any questions you may have. So thank you very much, Herzl.
Thank you, Omer. Thank you, guys.
We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.